Hello, Medicare risk adjustment operators, innovators, and learners. Welcome to another learning series of the Hughes Academy Risk Adjustment Made Easy, the Medicare Advantage Guide. I am your host tutor, Dr. Prince Bewa, and I want to welcome you. If this is your first time, there are a series of videos that are on our YouTube channel, and you want to check it out because today moves on one of the concepts on the Medicare Advantage years, just as we've been studying this month on risk adjustment years. We will go into one of the risk adjustment years that we have identified. And the supplemental cheat sheet is the Medicare Advantage Risk Adjustment Basics 2.2, the risk adjustment years, which is on our website, and I'm going to show you after the series on how to get there. This week, we'll be learning about the data collection year. I know we've done payment years, we've done service year, and this week we are in the data collection year. Simply, data collection year refers to the data year used to calculate the risk scores for a payment year. And I know we've covered payment year, so you pretty much are now seeing the connections between these years. And we're going to use examples to help explain. We have Ms. Jones and Mr. Clark here. From the previous examples, we saw that Ms. Jones had a service on 8/20/2022, so we recognize that the service year for this service is 2022. And 2022 goes into payment year 2023, risk adjustment payment year. So the data collection year for payment year 2023 is 2022. I'm going to say it again. The data collection year for payment year 2023 is 2022, meaning that the data used to calculate 2023 payment is 2022 date of service. And therefore, 2022 is the data collection year for payment year 2023. I hope this is making sense. I'm going to use another example with Mr. Clark. From the previous videos, Mr. Clark receiving a service on January 4th, 2023. And 2023 date of service, the service is 2023 as we identified. So 2023 is used for payment year 2024 risk score calculations. Therefore, the data collection year for payment year 2024 is 2023. I'm going to say it again. Therefore, the 2023 is the data collection year for risk score payment year 2024. I hope this helps. Where are we going to find terminology data collection year? In the Medicare Managed Care Manual, which you'll find on the CMS website, there is the terminology data collection year being used during the data collection year. So that's one area we are seeing that the terminology data collection year is being used. So as you review this manual, you see data collection year, you are able to identify what we've been talking about. You can also see payment year being used here. So you are now seeing the connections. Payment year is being used in the manual. So you are understanding payment year, understanding data collection year. You can better understand these concepts in these manuals. Another example that we have here is HPMS memos. We've been talking about HPMS memos, and this HPMS memo was released in 2015 and is the final encounter data diagnosis filtering logic. And it's very interesting because here you'll see a lot of the terminologies that we have been discussing here. So page number 2, you see page number 2 here, you'll start seeing data collection year is over here. And in addition to the data collection year, you also see something, payment year 2015 here, 2014. So data collection year 2014 for payment year 2015, like the example we just talked about. So all of these start to get together for you as you get to a better understanding. And we talked about through dates, right? So through dates also become the service year, right? So you start seeing the service year, the data collection year, the payment year, and all these years now start to come together as you review these documents. I hope this is very helpful to you as you review this. Thank you so much for joining us. I always want to keep this simple and easy, and I hope this helped. If you want to navigate to our resources, as I said earlier, the corresponding cheat sheet for this learning series or this episode for the month is on our website, thehealsacademy.com. You go to the resources and it is Medicare Advantage Risk Adjustment Basics 2.2, which of the years. If you go to the website on the healsacademy.com and you go to risk adjustment resources, yeah, you should be able to see the cheat sheet and download from here. Also, if you have not downloaded our signature gift, From Chaos to Clarity, the essential comparison cheat sheet on Medicare Advantage risk adjustment data sources, you all can always go to our website, and this compares different data sources of Medicare Advantage risk adjustment for you easily. So you can always download your copy from our website. We hope this was helpful. And as a reminder, we have our monthly live Q&A next week, Wednesday at 6 p.m. on our YouTube channel and on LinkedIn. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you next week as we discuss some of the questions that come in as we study this together. All right. Thank you, and I hope to see you next week. Bye-bye.